Lids or device covers are often a delicate part of equipment, such as PCR machines and readers. Frequent opening and closing the cover often leads to rapid wear of these components. The PlateButler LidLifter replaces the standard lid by a robust cover, making extensive use possible. Besides this, the PlateButler LidLifter also makes it possible to automate devices that are not standard equipped with an automatic cover. Its features can be adapted to the application, such as pressure on the test plate, shape of the lid, for example to minimize incidence of light, and integrated cooling heating elements. The key features of the PlateButler LidLifter are a robust replacement for device covers like PCR machines and readers, the ultimate solution for extensive use, easy automation for PCR machines and readers. It is fully integrated in the instrument. It can replace manual covers of instruments. Cooling and heating options are available, as well as precise pressurized options. PlateButler LidLifter, automated cover system for robust automation.